Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you all for joining in. Thank you, Muskan, Vikas, Shagufta, Akanksha. And I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce this name. Could you please pronounce your name for myself?
Whom are you talking, ma'am? To me?
You, yeah.
Okay, Dolridge Maulo.
What's your name?
Dolridge.
Dorrich. Oh, wow, Rich. Dorrich. Wonderful. Thank you for joining in. Today we are on the last concluding session of this amazing book, Eat That Frog. And as I was, checking on the book, I'm glad that the author has also given us the, concluding point. He has also put everything all together in the end of the book. So let me quickly share, and I have also put some points of reflection for ourselves as we go through each point that he has shared. Okay. So let me share the screen quickly so that we can read it together. मेरे ऊपर कैसे जाता है? This is still a mystery for me. Can you guys see the entire screen? Okay, for me it's like half.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Dorich. And we have one more participant in there, and that is Anita. Hello, Anita. Thank you for joining in and putting it all together. The key to happiness, satisfaction, great success, and wonderful feeling of persona power and effectiveness is for you to develop the habit of eating your frog first thing every day when you start work. Fortunately, this is a learnable skill that you can acquire through repetition. And when you develop the habit of starting on your most important task before anything else, your success is assured. Here is a summary of 21 ways to stop procrastinating and get more things done faster. Review these rules and principles regularly until they become firmly ingrained in your thinking and actions, and your future will be guaranteed. So the point number 1 says, "Hi, सबने तो कैमरा बंद ही करके बैठ गए हैं. Please switch on your cameras, guys. I should know that you all are with me." Thank you. Thank you so much. That means a lot. Set the table. Decide exactly what you want. Clarify. Clarity is essential. What is your goal and objective before you begin? And make them specific as well. अगर आपके पास आपका गोल लिखा नहीं हुआ है, I would love for you to do it right now. Have you written your goal? What is that one clear goal that you have set for today? If you have one, I would love to, read it in the chat. Or maybe you can unmute and tell me because we're not that number. Muskan, have you written? What is it for you today? मुंह में खाना है अभी नहीं बोल सकती है. All right, Dorrich, do you have something to share on this? Do you have your plans set?
Yeah, actually nowadays I'm training teachers, so we are supposed to book halls. So the target is to confirm 2 halls.
All right.
Yeah.
Wow. And you're working on it, right? Wonderful. Let's hear it from you, Shagufta. Shagufta, do you have your goal written? And do you have one goal for today that you need to accomplish? I'm sure she would have because she's studying now. Shagufta.
Written in chat box.
आ गया. अरे ये नीचे लिखे होंगे. Oh, 3. Vikas, let's hear it from you.
Attending this book club.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. That means a lot.
Yes.
Muskan says, Muskan, बोलो. Chat में क्यों डाला है? You can unmute.
46 to 92 pages of gynecology.
अच्छा, पक्का?
Yesterday I completed 46, so today I want to do next 46.
Wonderful. God bless you. And Shagufta is का है to crack TET exam. Akanksha, what's it for you?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, so my goal for today is to record few videos for my weekly reels.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for sharing. Anybody left? सबका हो गया? All right. Juhi is also there. Hello, Juhi. Thank you for joining. Can we see your charming face? Juhi, can you hear me?
Yes, now I can. पहले network नहीं था, sorry.
All right. Cool. So we have, just started putting it all together for this book, Eat That Frog. And the first point says, set the table, wherein we are talking about, do we exactly have written our goals down? And what is that one goal that you want to accomplish for today? Do you have it with you? Please share. Juhi, I'm waiting for you.
What, can you please repeat the question? What is one goal?
Yes, have you written down your goals? And what is one clear goal that you want to accomplish today?
So today I want to focus first on my health. It's not doing great. So I'll check on with some blood test and this. So first I want to focus on my health.
Great. And I hope you know where you have to bring the focus, right?
Yes.
Wonderful. Point number 2 says plan every day in advance. Think on paper. Every minute you spend in planning can save your 5 or 10 minutes in execution. Do you agree कि अगर मेरे को सारा दिन बार बार सोचना पड़े कि दिन में 3 बार क्या खाना बनाना है, आई विल बी ऑलवेज माइंड फॉगिंग होती रहेगी. मैं पूछती रहूंगी सबसे कि बेटे क्या खाना है, हस्बैंड से पूछूंगी आपको क्या खाना है, इससे पूछूंगी उससे पूछूंगी. It's better now that on Sunday evening, I sit with my family members, create a menu. It is written on the page and it is in the kitchen. अभी मेरे को इसमें दिमाग नहीं लगाना है. What is written is what I'm going to implement. Let's hear it from each one of you. I want you to use list and plan your day the night before. Although I do it a week before, I have my entire week's planner done. I have my food menu done. I would like to hear it from each one of you. Do you start your day with a plan? And what's your top priority for today? For today, की तो आप सबने बता दिया, but do you start with the plan or you just start your day? Yes or no? Quickly, Muskan.
Yes, my planner is ready. I know that till 8th March, my first revision will be done.
Wow, wonderful. All set for 15th June, huh?
Because my parents are serious this time.
Wow, wonderful. So should you be?
Mhm.
Akanksha, let's hear it from you.
Yeah, so the same thing that I told, right? The reeling and all. So I have plan ready what kind of reels I need to make. So yeah, that is
So
done.
the thing is that you plan every day in advance, right? Yes.
Most of the time I try to make that plan, but sometimes I fail also.
That is the part of process.
Right.
You all
Yeah, I
are
agree.
work in progress, right?
Agree.
Juhi, let's hear it from you. Juhi का unmute नहीं हो रहा है. Vikas, let's hear it from you.
Yeah.
Yes,
Sorry.
most
Sorry, I was not able to unmute अभी. Yeah.
हाँ.
So मैं next day का करती हूँ. I don't have a week planner ready.
Mhm.
But yeah, next day I write down 5 tasks, important tasks that are to be done on a prior basis. और उसके बाद जो डेली रूटीन का होता है फॉलो अप.
मैं दिखाऊं अपना वीकली प्लानर? if you can see.
Yes.
पूरे वीक का लिख लिया, इतना सारा काम है ना, वैसे को भाई. Then I was like, चलो मेरे को एक एक दो दो काम ही करने हैं, पहले I'll do 3 and then I'll do 3. Then I have prioritized them कि अच्छा ठीक है, ये 3 हो जाएंगे तो I'll do these 3. Wonderful, nice to hear that, Juhi. Let's hear it from you, Vikas.
Yes.
Yes, most of my plans are of repetitive nature in nature, and they are part of the system. So even I do not spend much of the time in planning. In the sense, when I sit for the planning, I see for the missing tasks which I could not complete, or which where there was slippage. That I try to compensate during the week. Otherwise, most of my plans, which I set at the month, at the beginning of the month itself, and they are of repetitive type. This helps me not give so much time and attention to doing those things which are of repetitive type. For example, by now I have completed 80% of the tasks that I have planned to do. For example, conducting this morning session in the morning, reading one chapter of the book that I did in the morning, then making 5 reels, which I did during the walking before I joined this session. Now this was part of the my plan to attend this morning session, this session, which I'm doing. So these are something which happens now on automatic mode. By the end of the afternoon, 80% of the tasks, including my office tasks, also get completed.
That's great. That's great. So, still, chalo, I would say कि Vikas is pro at it. But for the ones who are not pro at it, it's always better that you put it on the paper, because there are times जब आप कुछ ना कुछ miss out भी कर सकते हो, right? We all are humans. So when you put it on paper, and you cross it out, that also gives you a sense of accomplishment as well. Towards the end of the day, when you write your wins for the day, when you write your victory log, you know, this is how much I have accomplished. Otherwise, so for me, book reading club is a non-negotiable, and it is also something that has become, you know, autopilot for me. कि 1:45 अलार्म अपने आप बजाता है कि भैया मेरे को इस रूम में होना है, no matter what. At 9:45, I'm already all set to be here in this room on this table. Yet I do write it in my planner because I love it when I write, this is another day that I have accomplished well. That's how I see it. Let's hear it from you, Akanksha.
I'm sorry, what is the question?
So sorry, I've taken your answer.
Yeah.
Sorry. Let's go to Dorrich.
Okay, so for me, I don't plan honestly, but since I am in charge of overlooking all this planning for teachers training, the staffs are doing the data collection and all. We have to train around 2000 teachers. So when it comes to me planning, I have it set in my mind that this has to be completed, and the deadline has been put for us for this step, for this next level, next step. So I always do my best, and it's always on my mind because I don't let to be distracted by news or any negativity around me. So my mind is very clear. I'm focused. That's why I'm not afraid of missing any target, because whenever I speak or give an input, it's just a solid input. And when I ask a question, it's a very deep question. So in that case, I, I don't go the conventional way of, planning time and all. So I just keep my mind clear, and I am physically energetic. That's all I need.
Wow,
Thank
that's
you.
amazing. So, Vikas and you work kind of same way. That's great. And Shagufta says that not on weekly, but before sleep, I plan the day that the day that has to be done. Wonderful. कुछ तो planning करते हो ना. All right, Juhi, do we have yours? Juhi?
I said it in beginning only, no?
यार ये shuffle हो जाती है ना screen. I'm sorry यार.
Yeah, it's okay.
All right. Apply the 80-20 rule to everything. 20% of your activities will account for 80% of your results. Always concentrate on your efforts on that top 20%. That is, identify the 20% of tasks that produce 80% of results and focus on them. I want to ask you, what are the 20% of activities that contribute most to your success? And if you know it, are you doing it? Yes. I'm sure everybody would be doing, because most of us are coaches in this room. जल्दी जल्दी unmute करके खुद ही बता दो. Yes or no? Yes or no?
I want to start because I really don't know what is the 20%. I've heard about this Pareto principle and I know it works really well, but I'm yet to identify what are the 20% that drives 80% of the results. I'm yet to become a professional in this and become, efficient at my activities. I'm yet to. So I want to hear others.
All right. So 80%, 80-20 rule says that 20% task आपके life में ऐसे होते हैं that actually, if done, they take off so much of pressure from your shoulder कि ये हो गया. उसके बाद वो जो 80% छोटे 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 टास्क होते हैं, they get done अपने आप simultaneously. But that 20% we keep on procrastinating on, and those tasks are the most important tasks that you need to do. Those are the bigger frogs that you need to eat to accomplish success. So if I say I'm a coach, my 20% task, if I see, would be to nurture my tribe, to host the webinars and master classes. And if I'm not doing that and I'm procrastinating on that, then I'm doing all the petty things. जो मैं social media posting कर रही हूँ, ये कर रही हूँ, वो कर रही हूँ. But if I'm not doing the webinars and master classes, it's not bringing results. The results, the sales are going to come when I host the webinars or master classes, right? So that is the 80% task. मैं कुछ भी कर लूँ, the result what I want is that I want people who buy my product. And because of which I'm doing, actually nurturing part is also because of that. Book reading club is also for that. The WhatsApp community, this thing is also for that. The social media presence is also for that. I'm doing everything except from that one task. That is my 20% that I need to focus on, so that all the other things actually start working. Anybody wants to add to this? Thank you for this question, Dorich.
I really like this principle, Pareto's principle. I use this, for example, if I have to study for my exams, I open the affirmation reels, which is on discipline, and I kind of script that in my mind, like on the yellow paper with the red pen. And once my mind is ready that Muskan, you are studying in flow, Muskan, you are so disciplined. I see you are focused on every single line, you are marking every single line. You are a Ferrari, you are a Porsche without brake. I just script these lines, and after आधा घंटा लगता है. After I script these lines, and when I'm sitting with my notes, and when I'm studying, the way I act at that time, बहुत कम effort लगता है. So 80% is we have to cover our mindset, and 20% is action, aligned action.
All right. Thank you for sharing, Muskan. Let's hear it from you, Juhi. Do you have anything to share on this?
No, not really. आपने इतना अच्छा एक्सप्लेन किया. But yeah. तो पहले मेरा चैलेंज था was reel making reels and posting it. So now it's done. So now I'm focusing on content creation and webinar script and all. So yes, that is one thing that I want to do, so that I mean early in the morning. That is my next task that I want to complete. So the things will be easy on my part if I once start scripting the webinar completely.
Wonderful.
So
Wonderful. All right, Vikas, let's hear it from you.
Yes, I know for coaching, taking webinar is very important, which I am overlooking. That needs to be paid attention to. And this is again in the top 20% of the activity. I think it should be.
हाँ, ये
So
मेरे लिए भी आज बलबॉन अपने लिए खुद ही था.
नहीं, मेरे लिए बलबौन तो है, लेकिन मैं कर नहीं रहा हूँ.
Exactly. The thing that we need to start implementing.
Yes,
That's
yes,
what
yes,
I mean by
yes.
ballpoint.
This is something जो कि मैं बहुत ही कम करता हूँ. और क्यों कर रहा हूँ कि मेरे को लग रहा है चलो चलता तो चल ही रहा है, चलने दो. लेकिन स्टिल आई फील कि हमको मेरे माइंड को ना ये समझाना जरूरी है कि जब तक आप वेबिनार नहीं करोगे, लोग आपको जानेंगे नहीं, तो आपसे जुड़ेंगे कैसे. सो हाँ, इट इज अ गुड फनल एंड आई कंसिडर इज एट among the top 20% of the activities, especially for coaches, जो होना चाहिए, which I'm missing.
Great. Let's hear it from Shagufta. All right. Akanksha, would you like to add anything to this?
No, Karishma, I think we are on the same boat, and I'm also facing the same challenge that I'm doing everything except webinar. So, yeah, that is what I need to focus now.
Wow, great. And Dorich, did you get your answer?
A little bit, yes.
Could
I
you
mean,
find
your explanation is quite clear, and like I told, I have heard about this principle. I know the concept, but you explain it from a different angle, so it's a fresh angle for me. So thank you for that. And others, me also, I conducted webinar once, no one came. Second time also, no one came. So
it's
it's
okay
hard.
if nobody
Yeah,
shows
it's
up?
hard. Yeah,
Do
yeah.
you know what? I'll give you a secret. I gave it to somebody else in this room as well. There have been times when I have conducted the book reading session, which is like the easiest part for anybody to join. I have hosted these sessions alone as well. And do you know what? When you do not have anybody in the room, you have an opportunity to experience a webinar mode wherein 500 people are listening to you. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like empty chairs, practice with empty chairs. I understand that. Practice speaking in empty chairs. I mean,
It's your mind story that you can make, 500 log
Yeah.
sun rahe hain, I have to give my
Mm.
best.
yes, yes.
Point number 4 says, consider the consequences. Your most important tasks and priorities are those that can have the most serious consequences, positive or negative, on your life or work. Focus on these above all else. So, basically prioritize tasks based on their long-term impact, not just urgency. So what I want you to reflect on is, are you focusing on the tasks that create real results and just not staying busy? अभी आज हमारे को सबको बड़ा सारा समझ में आ गया कि हम लोग webinars नहीं कर रहे हैं. We have to start doing that. Anything else that comes to you that you are not focusing on, and in the long term, that is only the thing that is going to help you, or maybe the meta ads or something around that. Let's jump on to point number 5 that says practice creative
I want to
procrastination.
add one perspective here regarding meta
Please.
ads.
All right.
In meta ads, money get burned very easily. Instead, we must spend on YouTube coach or Instagram coach, and we must elevate there, because before starting meta ads, we must have our presence on the social media. We will burn 1,000 rupees in one day on ad for a single day on Instagram example, and we will get only 30-40 leads, and out of 30-40 leads, nobody will show up in the webinar, hardly one or two, and they will also, so instead, just an thing.
That's a good insight, because so initially it's always said that go organic.
Yes.
When you have burnt out from the organic, start meta ads. पूरी
Yes.
हिम्मत जा चुकी है.
Like if we are really up to giving, and 1,000 rupees, that is directly given to the Instagram. If somebody does not know how to run the ads, then the person is going to charge more. This is also another thing. So we must spend on YouTube coach or Instagram coach. The famous one are Saurav Jain and Sriram Barnu sir.
हाँ.
Even doing webinar, knowing this is the format of running ads for the webinar, I landed up paying for the webinar.
वाह.
And I was like, Muskan, itna बुद्धू. And इतना सुंदर हुक दे रखा था, इतना attractive हुक दे रखा था. From 0K to 522K, 520K. Land up into the session and I will tell you how. And when I landed up, there was sales. And that to be paid webinar.
Be mindful.
So yeah, sometimes we know and we don't know.
True, very true. All right, let's go ahead with point number 5, which says practice creative procrastination. Since you can't do everything, you must learn to deliberately put off those tasks that are of low value so that you have enough time to do the few things that really count. Which means learn to procrastinate on the unimportant tasks in your life so that you can focus on the important ones.
I have a very funny example for this. I once was fighting on chat with one of my friend and I was wondering, is this of value? And यही line मेरे सामने pop out हुई थी Instagram पे, procrastinate the low value work. And I was like, this is low value. Let me scribble manifestation.
How creative is it, na? कि हमने procrastinate तो करना ही है, तो let's procrastinate on the things that have.
And it really worked out.
Yes, it does. कोई लड़ाई करने के लिए आ रहा है, चल यार मेरे को भी थोड़ी देर में बात करती हूँ, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, लड़ते हैं थोड़ी देर में लड़ते हैं. Any insights on this, anybody?
This procrastination can be used creatively in many areas as well. जैसे आपको instant gratification के लिए कोई unhealthy food दिखा, मैगी खाने का मन किया, ठीक है, मैं I will procrastinate. अगर मेरे को किसी को गुस्सा करने का मन किया, if I tend to become angry at someone, I will put off. मैं angry होऊंगा लेकिन बाद में होऊंगा. So the energy gets dissipated, the craving gets dissipated.
Yes.
When you delay something. So you can use that thing in also.
I remember once you suggested me मैगी खाने का मन कर रहा है तो तुम अपने आप को बोल दो एक मिनट एक one plate of salad, let me have a plate of salad, then I'll have Maggie as well.
Yes.
अभी
yes.
प्लेट ऑफ मैगी सैलेड खा लिया तो कितनी भूख बचेगी ना, मैगी क्या ही
तो
खाओगे.
क्या होता है ना, see how our mind works. When you are in direct resistance to something, there is even more temptation. It becomes even more intense. Suppose you want to have Maggie. There is a craving to have Maggie. And you say, no, I'm concerned about my health. I will not have Maggie. The more you say no, this is a direct resistance, but you resist persists. So you will have even more temptation. So how I will trick my mind is, I will say, yes, you will definitely have Maggie. No doubt about it. But you will have it later. Just have patience. Maybe first eat this healthy food and then you will have Maggie. So this is creative procrastination. I am putting off certain tasks which are not good for me, which are not important for me, which I would regret later and put it off for some future time.
Wonderful. Anybody wants to share anything else? Something to add to this? Akanksha, Juhi, Dorich? No? We are good to go? All right.
And it happens the opposite. What we need to procrastinate, we immediately act on it. And what we need not procrastinate, we procrastinate. Right? Suppose you want to forgive someone. So you will not procrastinate on that.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Let's go to the next point that says use the ABCDE method continually. Before you begin work on the list of tasks, take some moments to organize them by value and priorities so you can be sure of working on the most important activities. Now, ABCDE stands for A is must do tasks, B is should do, C is nice to do, D is delegate, and E is eliminate. We should be knowing for ourselves कि कौन से ऐसे tasks हैं that we need to delegate, we need to eliminate, and which are the ones which are the must do's in our system. All right. And I would love for you to, if you have pen and paper, to jot down कि आज की जो भी बड़ी list बनाई है, for me जैसे इतनी लंबी list ये वाली है, इसके अंदर which are the A tasks, which are the B tasks, which are the C and D tasks, right? वैसे D और E तो मैं लिखती ही नहीं हूँ, C तक के लिखती हूँ. Let's go to the next point, which says focus on the key results. Identify and determine those results that are absolutely, positively have to get to do your job well and work on them day long. All right. So that says that identify the few activities that define success in your role or work on them and work on them. What is those key important tasks that we need to do? For that, you can, reflect on what are the key result areas in your life or work that need more focus. Would you like to say anything on this, Ulrich?
No, I realized the importance of this because we are in the planning process now of teachers training. I would like to add on the earlier point, that is practice creative procrastination. And just like Vikas sir has said, because I was reflecting on this a lot nowadays, and that is cheap dopamine versus, more noble form of satisfaction. So anything bad will feel good right now, but will feel bad later. Like
Yes.
eating junk food, watching entertainment, gossiping feels really good. Okay, at that moment. But then later we will regret because our higher self knows well that we are doing the wrong things. But then we need to procrastinate those, like Vikas sir has said. And we need to focus on the more, I forgot, is it serotonin or I don't know what's that chemical that is a good dopamine, you can say, not a cheap dopamine. So when we focus on those, like helping others, doing anything meaningful, any community work, any doing anything that have a long term impact, we feel bad always doing those things. Like working out in the gym, we feel bad while doing it, but afterwards it feels really good and it's long lasting, and we become useful to society and community and to ourselves as well.
Absolutely.
That's all I want to add to that point number 5 there. Thank you.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you for sharing that. Muskan, do you have anything to share?
I use really this formula
Wonderful.
because I really like this word focus. My father teaches this one word to me from 11th class. Muskan ekagrata, ekagrata, ekagrata. And now after 8 years of me listening this word and not applying, I use this word only a lot every single day. Muskan, what are your 3 focus things? Whenever I get a little down, acha, what you want? Just tell me what you want. The moment my focus shift on from the darkness to the light, I feel really happy. Yesterday was such a day for me. Like, I wake up and I was not productive, but I was able to be productive till evening because I shifted the focus.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Let's hear it from Vikas.
I messaged yesterday to so many people, including you, my friends.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I think network problem thing reaching out is late.
Wonderful.
Yes. So, so knowledge, the way you were saying, actually, it is a human psychology that where we tend to place more emphasis on something which is certain in the present moment than on something which is of the future, on about which only we have the probability that we might in the long term gain pleasure out of it. So what I am getting now, this is certain that I can see, and that's what drives us for this instant gratification. That's why there is temptation, that's why there is craving. Means at least now I am sure that by binging this unhealthy food, I will have satisfaction and it will satisfy my cravings. And who has seen the future? This is the mindset. And this has also come
Exactly.
from our ancient times, where our focus used to be how to save ourselves from the predator. We will not think about the future, right? So this mentality, though now the environment has changed, now the times have changed, but our mindset still, we are operating from survival mindset. Yes.
Yes. Very true. Very true.
Very well said. All right, Akanksha, let's hear it from you.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, the point is very valid that we have to focus on the result areas. But the point is, I am saying on my behalf, and I'm sure most of you would be agree that we are focusing more on the obstacles and the challenges, and also we are focusing on the activities to get the result, not on the result. So I think that's where we are wasting our time more of. But yeah.
But don't you think the journey should be, if we start focusing on the result, तो कर्म कौन करेगा? कर्म कर, फल की इच्छा मत कर, कर्म कर. मैं
लेकिन
वेबिनार एंड मास्टर क्लास लूंगी, अब फल तो वो भगवान के हाथ में है, or whatever, the people in the room.
Yeah, but I think the result depends upon the result also. Like for example, if for me delivering service is my result, then definitely I will make sure which is in my control for sure. Which is in my control, I will make sure that I get the result. And of course, which is out of my control, then I will leave it to the universe and God and whatever it is. But yes, as far as it is my control, I will try to focus on this and I will try to get it.
For me, it's like, I'm sorry if I slightly differ from you.
I will
No,
say
it's perfectly fine. We are under the discussion, so that's how we
So
should. Yeah.
for me, it's like result पे focus नहीं होना चाहिए. Result पता होना चाहिए कि मेरे को इस end goal पे पहुंचना है. But the focus should be on the activities that we need to do to reach that result.
Okay. Yeah, that is also a valid point. But मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ करिश्मा. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मेरे साथ क्या होता है, तो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मुझे आज बुक लिखनी है, ओके, एंड आज मुझे बुक का एक चैप्टर लिखना है. सो व्हाट आई वुड सी, अरे मेरा टेबल साफ है कि नहीं है, अरे आई डोंट हैव अ गुड पेन, so I don't have that, so I will arrange everything to do the activity which I was supposed to do except that activity. So my result is I have to focus on my result कि आज मेरा एक चैप्टर खत्म करना ही है. तो जब तक वो रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा मेरे दिमाग में चलता रहेगा कि यार ये हुआ नहीं. That's what I think I'm talking about the result.
हाँ, पर
एक्चुअली
हाँ
मैं
विकी,
बोलूँ क्या,
हाँ बोलो.
आपको एक दिन की बात नहीं है, आपको सिस्टम डेवलप करना होगा. यू नीड टू डेवलप अ सिस्टम एंड दैट सिस्टम विल लीड यू टू अचीव दैट गोल. सो अगर मेरे को पता है कि मेरे को टेबल साफ करके रखना है, so that will be part of my system, and I need not clean the table every single day. If it is a part of my system, then I will stick to the system. So what happens is when I'm focused on achieving the outcome or the results, sometimes you may not get the desired results, and also the results on time. It creates anxiety, it creates desperation, because of which you tend to get distracted even more. So जो करिश्मा बोल रही है ना, कर्म की चिंता मत करो. So basically what she is trying to tell is focus on the system, focus on the process. If you love and enjoy the process, then outcome is automatically a byproduct.
Exactly. Yes. I agree that.
So if your outcome is to write that book, so what are the systems that you need to follow? You will write that down and you will check on that. You'll focus on that, whether these are in place or not. Suppose you'll have to have this pen, you'll have to have this diary, you will have to have this separate place where you can think creatively. So these are all part of the systems. And
this is what I was coming to as well.
Yes.
Got it. Now I got the point of result. I got it. Yeah.
अगर मैं टेबल पे बैठ जाऊं कि मेरे को बुक लिखनी है, मेरे पास डायरी नहीं है, पहले मैं उठ के जाऊंगी डायरी लेने. ठीक है,
हाँ
इसमें जाऊंगी पेन लेने और पेन टूट गया, ओ पेंसिल खराब हो गई, ओ पेन खराब हो गया, आई नीड अनदर पेन, रुक यार मैं दूसरा पेन लेके आती हूँ।
करेक्ट, और वो पूरा दिन उस पे चला गया, राइट, और हमारा एनर्जी चला गया, सब कुछ वेस्ट, एंड देन वी आर सिटिंग कि अरे आज हुआ नहीं,
Exactly.
यू नो, सो या।
All right, let's hear it from you, Shagufta.
सभी चीज ने तो करिश्मा मैम और विकास सर ने तो कंप्लीट कर ही दिया, लेकिन यस वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन द रिजल्ट्स, बिकॉज रिजल्ट्स अगर होना नहीं होना, वी कैन अचीव इट और नॉट, इट्स अ सेकेंड थिंग, बट उस रिजल्ट्स को हमें अचीव करने के लिए जो एक्टिविटीज हमें लेनी चाहिए, वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन दैट। रिजल्ट तो एक बाई प्रोडक्ट है, वो डेफिनेटली इफ यू फॉलो द एक्टिविटी, इफ यू फॉलो द प्रोसेस, the result will come definitely, but to get that results what we are putting efforts, it matter a lot। लेकिन वो मैटर करने के बाद भी है कि रिजल्ट आता है क्या आता है, वो एक रहेगा ना थॉट, जिसे हम खुद ब खुद ऑटो पायलट होकर वो वर्क स्टार्ट करने लग जाएंगे।
Thank you, Shagufta. Then we are on point number 8 that says the law of three. Identify the three things you do in your work that account for 90% of your contribution and focus on getting them done before anything else. You will then have more time for your family and personal life. 3 points एक साथ पढ़ देती हूँ and then we'll discuss. Point number 9 says prepare thoroughly before you begin. ये आकांक्षा वाला point आ गया I think. Have everything you need at hand before you start. Assemble all papers, information, tools, work material, and numbers so that when you get started and keep going, you can keep going. Right? And
Yeah, exactly. That's the point I was talking about. So it's covered. Good.
And point number 10 says, take it one oil barrel at a time. You can accomplish the biggest and the most complicated job if you just complete it one step at a time. All right, let's hear it from each one of you. Let's start from Dorrich.
Okay, regarding this, I remember a TED talk I watched. He's, I don't know, scientist. He has invented many things. He has done so many things, and he has shown that anyone can. He showed, first of all, one very big picture. I mean, a drawing of a face, and then he said anyone can do this. He challenged. He challenged that anyone can draw like. You have to divide it into many grids of small pieces, and if you ensure that each of those are filled up, this phase will be done. And he has achieved Guinness records of many things by knitting yarns and covering stones and trees and everything, big large, I mean, I don't know, huge sizes alone. And so he said I did it one small knit at a time. So achieving Guinness record is possible for everyone, and drawing a very good drawing also is possible if you focus on the small part at a time. So I just want to give that input. Thank you.
That's wonderful. Let's hear it from you, Akanksha.
Yeah, so for this law of three, this is followed by Siddharth also as being of his community. I'm also following this strictly. So I make sure every day that I have three tasks, top priority, and I define and I follow strictly. And the point ninth, clearly very well. So yeah, that's what I was mentioning. And Vikas mentioned it very well that we have to have a system so that we have everything organized. Yeah.
And Siddharth also says people fail, systems do not fail. So follow the system.
Exactly. Yeah.
And Shagufta, do you have anything to share on this? These 3 points. All right. Let's go to Muskan. Muskan, do you have anything to share? दोनों चले गए. All right. Shall we continue reading the other 11 points, or shall we continue it reading tomorrow? 1 घंटा तो हो गया वैसे हमारे को पढ़ते हुए, and because we have a little, short टाइम स्पेन, अटेंशन स्पैन, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इसके आगे के हमारे को कल पढ़ने चाहिए. यू कैन शेयर विद मी योर पर्सपेक्टिव्स ऑन दिस, और एल्स वी कैन गो अहेड एज वेल.
Sure,
So
sure, sure.
whenever we like you do this reading session, Karishma, you go through only the summary part or you go through the book, the whole book also?
We go through the entire book. Today is the last.
Okay,
Today was supposed to be, assumingly supposed to be, the last session, but
got it.
आज भी खत्म नहीं हो पाए हैं because we have discussed quite nicely and in detail each point.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
so normally we have read the entire book
Mm-hmm.
and we have discussed in length about each of these points. These were the chapters, the 21 points that we are reading right now are the chapters of the book. And उसके
Okay.
अंदर बहुत कुछ लिखा गया है by Brian
Mm-hmm.
Tracy, and we have read that in the session itself. The weekend session is the only place where we do not read the book together. What we do there is we come, we read the book ourselves at our own pace during the week, and in the weekend session we only do the discussion part.
Got it. Got it. Thanks, huh? Thank you.
My pleasure.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Have you done the 7 habits, ma'am? Koi?
7 habits of highly effective people.
Yes, yes.
Not yet. Planning to do
Okay.
though.
Okay. Nice, nice.
All right, on that note, we shall close this session here itself, and we will take another 11 points tomorrow. And thank you for joining in. It was pleasure having, Dorrich and Akanksha as new members in this book reading session today. Thank you, Shagupta, for showing up after a long time. It was nice having you as well. And I wish to see you all tomorrow as well for the continued learning. God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Thanks,
Bye-bye.
Karishma. Thank you so much for conducting it, explaining it very well. Thank you.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.